Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So in a previous video, I shared how I put together my own charging station. Unfortunately, the power supply that I bought for this setup wasn't pushing enough amps. So I kept on digging, I kept on looking, and I found something interesting. So this is an LED power supply. So it's meant to drive those LED light strips that you have around the house. And this one that I got is rated for 200 watts, 24 volts. And with that, I should be able to get a lot more amps than the 100 watt power brick, the PD power brick that I was using previously. So this is relatively cheap, about maybe $10-15, and you can probably find something even cheaper. So it has the input here, which we will connect to our power source, and then on this side it has 4 output points, so positive and negative, and it's supposed to do 24 volts. So let's put this thing together and see if it actually can drive the charger that I'm using. So for this, I also have an XT60 connector. I bought this pre-made, so I'm just gonna cut off this end, and then this is gonna go on this side. And then also our power cord. So we're just gonna take this thing off and then strip the wires and connect it here. And let's see if that works. Okay, so we have it all wired together. Let's head on over to the charging station and see if this thing actually works. Alright, so here we are at the charging station. This is the old power brick that I've been using, but it wasn't really giving me enough amps to charge the 3 batteries that I wanted. These are all 1300 milliamp 6S batteries, so I was hoping to get around 3.9 amps. This was only able to deliver a max of 3.3, so that's why I put together this new setup. I have plugged it in. I have it in this LiPo safe bag just for a bit of extra safety. I didn't know how well this was going to work, and looking at the charger, it is pushing 24 volts DC input, so theoretically we should be able to charge at our target 3.9 amps, which is what I need to parallel charge 3 1300 milliamp hour batteries. So let's see if it holds. .98 at 23 volts. Yeah, that looks like it's working pretty well. I mean, previously when I was just charging at 3.3 amps with this charging brick, it was taking around 30 to 40 minutes going from 3.7, 3.8 volts on each cell to 4.2. With this, we should be able to charge a bit faster, hoping for around 20 minutes for every 3 batteries. Yeah, so if you're looking for an affordable power source for your charging setup, looks like an LED power supply like this one should work just fine. I mean, these are available for even higher wattages than this. Of course, I'll clean up the setup a bit more. I have a lot of slack on this wire, and I'll find a place to mount that, probably somewhere here on the side so I don't accidentally touch it. By the way, these do have a bunch of capacitors in them, so you want to make sure that it's properly insulated and you don't touch it even after you turn it off. Just a safety tip there. Right, so if you like this video, do leave a like and subscribe if you're interested in this type of content, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.